Picking up where we left off, we're going to use the loop cut tool. So select that. When you hover over, you'll notice that it'll split right down the center of the entire loop. So we want to split each one of these, and then we want to split it down the center. We could split here, but I don't want to put too much geometry in this just yet. So for right now, we're just going to leave it like that. Now what we want to do is we want to actually give this some thickness. So if we select this point, hold down Control, and select this point, it'll select all of them in between. Now what we can do is just pull this out a little bit. Okay, that looks good. So the next thing we want to do is we want to come through and pretty much select all of these. For now, we're just going to pull them all out the same, because later we'll probably go in, do some sculpting, and shape things up there. Make sure not to select any of the edge vertices. So we're going to pull these up. Now we have these are the only inside ones that we have left. So let's select each one of these. We're going to pull these out too, just not as far. Just to give them a little bit of thickness there. So right now we've given this thickness, but it's still only half of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop back into object mode. And with this selected, we're going to add a modifier, and it's going to be the mirror modifier. Now that went the wrong way, so we're going to make that go in Z. And then you can see that gives us some thickness there. So now we have our first spike done. We're not going to do anything else to the spike right now, but what I want you to do from here on out is go through the rest of the spikes that you have. There's no point in me showing you over and over and over again the exact same thing. So the spikes that you're going to want to do are going to be these. And let's see where the other one is. And those. And you're going to do it the exact same way. You're going to bring in the image for these. You're going to create one. There's no need to create more than one, because you'll create one and then we'll just duplicate them and move them into place. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.